Hi everyone and welcome to the walk around video with me, James, here at Your Next Car. As always, we're going to begin with taking a walk around the exterior of the car whilst I point out some of the major talking points and features. Then of course I'm going to go around, take a seat inside the vehicle. Once again we'll go through some of the major talking points and features inside. This vehicle we have here is the 420D M Sport Coupe, and as you can see it is presented in the ever popular mineral grey, and it looks absolutely incredible, paired with the full Your Next Car Mperformance body styling kit. Alongside that, we've just added the 20-inch 2020 Mperformance style alloy wheels, which are all brand new with brand new tyres. Alongside that, it comes equipped with a wide array of optional extras, all of which I'll point out as we go around the car. At the front, you will notice it is a 2016 66 reg, so we have them very nice angel eye xenon headlamps at the front. It also comes with BMW's M Sport Plus pack, so you do have the much larger front and rear end brakes, privacy glass, Harman Kardon surround sound, and of course the very nice heated Dakota leather in the front. And again, we'll take a close-up look at them as we go around. So straight away you'll notice those fantastic big large end brakes sitting behind the gloss black 20-inch alloy wheels. Down the side of the car you'll see the satin side vinyls, gloss black air breathers, gloss black sidebars, and of course the YNC Mperformance stickers. There is that privacy glass which stands out very nicely. Alongside, you'll already be able to see the absolutely tremendous coral red Dakota leather seats, which, as I've mentioned, do of course have the heated seat function along with the electric lumbar options as well. Again, thanks to that Plus pack, we've got the Harman Kardon surround sound, which is always a very popular option, whether it be part of the Plus pack or as a separate option. Again, this is one of the most popular colour combos, if not the most popular colour combination we currently have here at Your Next Car, especially in the 4 Series range. So yesterday I featured a Grand Coupe in this variant, in this colour combination, sorry, and this morning I've done a 430D, and now I'm doing a 420D. As you can see in the rear, we've got a Isofix 2x2 seat arrangement with the centre folding armrest, centre storage tray, and everything inside is as tidy as it should be, and it's all very nice and spacious and comfortable. We've also got that very nice black M Sport headlining, and we'll go and take one last look at the alloy wheels before I head round to the rear of the vehicle to show you off the very nice high gloss black rear boot spoiler, the satin diffuser. Another nice feature on this vehicle is the rear facing reversing camera. I'll open up the tailgate, allow you to have a look at just how large the boot space is on the 4 Series Coupe. If you've not yet seen one, you'll be very pleasantly surprised. And of course, another feature on this vehicle is the split folding seat function. So of course you can further extend that already large boot space. And there you can see nicely presented are the genuine BMW floor mats which will accompany the vehicle. So moving around to the other side, once again, I'll just take a minute or two, or a couple of seconds should I say, to appreciate and show you how nicely this vehicle is presented with all of those colour combinations in the mix of it, and of course just how well it sits on the 20-inch alloy wheels. And again, showing you off the rear end brake option. Moving on inside now, so there's still a lot to get through. We've got the power folding mirror function on this vehicle, which again can be controlled just using that little button there, or of course should you hold the lock button on your keyless go key fob, which is situated just down there at the moment. When we enter the vehicle, you'll be greeted by the very nice professional wide navigation and media screen, and we'll go through a couple of the features and functions of that, not before showing you the vehicle has covered just over 31,000 miles, so here's another nice low mileage example here. There is of course the navigation function. Go over a couple of the media functions. Of course you've got DAB along with a wide array of multimedia inputs, including the very cool music collection, which means you can store and rip music directly to the vehicle's hard drive, meaning you don't have to have lots of CDs or even multiple USB sticks flying around in your vehicle. Bluetooth for Bluetooth telephone, and of course audio. And we'll go back and take a look at the home screen, which once again has been changed for this year of vehicle. They separated everything into nice little easy to navigate menus. As you can see, everything is currently highlighted in green, and we'll go ahead and take a look at the service history of the vehicle, where as you can see the vehicle has got full BMW service history. And as you can see, the last visit to BMW was just for a brake fluid service. However, it is an indication of just how well cared for this vehicle was and has been. However, the service before that was for a full service, including all of the filters, And as you can see there, including the fuel filter, which is really good news for any potential next owner, as it does of course mean the next service will just be a very basic oil and oil filter change. Dual climate control, and as you can see, that's also where you'll find the switches for the heated seats. Last but not least of the interior is the 8-speed sports auto the car comes with. Cruise control, speed limiter function, voice and volume controls, all situated on that lovely multifunction M Sport steering wheel. So as always, I do hope you find this walk around video useful. If you do have any questions, please do feel free to get in touch down below in the comment section, where as always I'll be happy to get back to you as soon as possible. And if you look down in the description, you'll be able to find a link to our website where you can check out this vehicle in further detail and check out some still images of the vehicle, if that's what you would like to do. Alongside that, you'll be able to check out the prices and of course finance options if that's applicable to you looking to purchase this vehicle. Thanks for watching. Do of course take care. Thank you. Goodbye.